First off, for the materials, you need to have bowl, whisk, measuring cup, saucepan and stove, airtight container or cling wrap, and lamp cloth. Next, for the ingredients, you need to have 1 cup baking soda, half cup of cornstarch, and 3/4 cup of water. And don't forget to put newspaper on your table to have a neat workstation. And prepare your bowl. For our first part, mixing. For the first step in mixing, you need to combine in a bowl half cup of cornstarch, 1 cup baking soda, and 3/4 cup of water. Stir the ingredients onto the bowl until it becomes a liquid mixture. And when it dissolves, prepare it for heating. Second part, heating. Stir the mixture over medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes.
Farewell, sweet cookie cats. I'll always remember the time we spent together.
As you stir it continuously, you will notice that there are bubble formation. Leave it because the mixture will be formed into a lump of hot clay. Again, continuously stir until the mixture thickens to a moist mashed potato consistency.
Life is beautiful.
Part 3, cooling. Remove from heat, transfer in a bowl, and let it cool with a damp cloth. Last part, molding. You will notice the lump of clay is crumbly. You need to knead it until smooth.
Farewell, sweet cookie cats. I'll always remember the time we spent together.
Shape as desired or store it in an airtight container or Ziploc or cling wrap to preserve the clay. Usually, this DIY clay will last for a week, but if you will store it in a cold storage, you can extend the life of it.